SharkBite push-to-connect fittings, how to install PEX, copper, and CPVC pipe. The SharkBite universal brass push-to-connect fittings create a seamless and easy transition between different types of pipe materials. No tools are required, and the fittings can even be installed in wet lines. The fitting can be rotated after installation, so you can install without having to worry about how it's positioned. To get started, first identify the pipe material. SharkBite universal brass push-to-connect fittings are compatible with PEX, copper, CPVC, PERT, and HDPE pipe. SharkBite fittings come with a PEX stiffener preloaded into the fitting for PEX, PERT, and HDPE. The PEX stiffener does not need to be removed for copper or CPVC applications. Cut the pipe as cleanly and squarely as possible. Be sure the pipe is free of scratches and debris. If you are handling copper pipe, remove any sharp edges or burrs on the pipe. Next, use your SharkBite depth and deburr tool to measure and mark the insertion depth on your pipe. You can find the insertion depth chart on SharkBite.com. Push the fitting to the insertion mark you just made on the pipe. Now, turn on your water and check the connection. Unlike other fittings, SharkBite universal brass push-to-connect fittings can be removed and reused if changes are necessary. To remove the fitting, use a SharkBite disconnect clip or tong. To use the disconnect clip, snap it onto the pipe, press the release collar using the disconnect clip, and pull the pipe from the fitting. To use the disconnect tong, slide the tong over the fitting and the pipe. Squeeze the tong to press the fitting's release collar and pull the pipe from the fitting. The SharkBite universal brass push-to-connect fitting is ready to reuse. Using SharkBite is fast, efficient, and reliable.